Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what Charlie Chaplin's classic Modern Times would look like in color? Today we're bringing the legendary scene to life using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Let's dive in. First, open up AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and drag and drop your video. AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI is packed with features like upscaling, noise reduction, and AI-powered colorization. Now select Upscale to 4000 and Colorize. You can even enhance the resolution while you're at it. If you want a softer scene, choose Soft AI model. Here I want it more impactful, so I choose the Bright. You can also adjust the video setting to your liking. Before we process the video, preview it to check how it looks. Wow! AVCLabs does the heavy lifting, no manual keyframes, no tedious editing. If everything is ready, click Start Processing and wait for a few seconds. Here's the final result. Just look at the transformation, the contrast, and that industrial madness all reborn in color, while keeping the spirit of Chaplin's genius intact. If you're a fan of classic cinema or just love experimenting with old footage, AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what scene you'd want to see colorized next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative video makeovers.